Are you ready to see our van floor go from this to this? Keep watching. Welcome to Outdoor Gear 411
with Robbie and Adrian.
Today is the day. It's pretty exciting. We are going to install the linoleum in the camper van. Hopefully you saw the video where we put in the insulation, got our templates to cut the flooring, and then where we installed the plywood. Yesterday, Robbie came in and took a multi-tool and cut all the great stuff so it's nice and flat, swept it out, blew it out. So we picked up this flooring at Lowe's. It was a 8x12 pre-cut remnant sort of deal. We thought this was a pretty cool pattern and it was much cheaper than the other way. We're just prepping how we're going to get the glue going. Stay tuned for the glue. All the directions that we have watched said, from here you just roll it out, smooth it out, push the bubbles out with your hands, and then do the other side. Let's see how it goes.
I want to make a couple of relief cuts around the wheel well so I can get closer to it and then start trimming around all those edges over there. There we go. Don't get ahead of yourself, Robbie. It was leaving my finger streaks as I was trying to use my hands and push it out, so we're going to use the rolling pin to get it. Crazy, huh? I'll get a bunch of this trimmed out and then we'll put glue down, then I'll come back and trim it closer.
Everything seems to be sticking pretty doggone good, which is exciting. So we're on to this side. Glue is on. Let's hold it down.
I'm gonna leave this long because the plan is put this trim piece back in here, try to put some sort of piece of brake metal over that. I don't want this edge catching and coming up real easy. See why you cut it long? Normally though, trim would just cover that. You know, it ain't gotta be exactly perfect because trim covers it.
We did it! This is our first time ever laying linoleum, so hopefully we did it right. Hopefully there's not gonna be too many lumps in there. Either way, we're pretty proud of it. Comment and let us know what you think. Did we do it right? Were there things we should have done differently? We like to hear, we like to learn. Mainly, if you like this video, give us that thumbs up. We are in the middle of this whole series of us converting this Chevy Express to a camper van. We really appreciate you guys coming along on the journey. Subscribe and hit that notification bell. We're trying to grow those subscribers and that watch time. So I really appreciate all that you guys do. Most importantly, thanks for watching.